Why do I keep whispering? I don't even know. But I had a weird dream yesterday. I was back at my old elementary school. A lot of stuff was happening. We had to figure out the way to get out of there and live. It was a whole lot happening, basically. But yeah, it's 8, let me not lie, 8:34 a.m. Yesterday I was like, let me just take it chill. I'm not stress myself. Let me just do what I feel like doing without looking at the plan. I'm following the plan. So I went to the coffee shop and the rest was history, because literally all I did was lay in bed and watch the series. But it was so nice to be like, I'm doing the exact same thing I would do in Norway, but it's a different place, it's a different environment. So I can go out and do stuff if I wanted to. But yeah, and I slept on my makeup again. I know, my skin is so disappointed in me, as I am. But yeah, I was about to go ask them in the reception if they have a supermarket here. And I can see that there's a supermarket. Let me show you guys. Oh my god, I'm under the stairs. There's a supermarket right over there. So it's a very convenient situation. I'm just gonna leave my towel and stuff there. So when you check in, I'm gonna tell you guys about that later. I'll tell you about it later, but let's go to the store and buy some face wash. Good morning.
Good morning.
I think it's closed. That's sad. Now people are staring from the car on the other side, but it's okay. It's closed. I'm gonna try to find another market in the area. Just give me a second, guys. Give me a second to set up. Oh, the breeze is so nice. It's not cold. It's just nice. Like needed in the morning. I feel like I blend in so well with this red color. Not because I love red, that's my favorite color, but just because. Can you guys tell? My hair is looking like I'm in distress. But okay, so this is the shower pot. I don't even know what to call them, but the shower section. And oh, you get some shampoo, but I brought mine. The shower, enough space. It's looking like you can even sit here. Oh. I know I'm only here to film, but this feels so weird and disrespectful because I'm like, who films in the bathroom? But when you arrive, there's someone at the reception. There's someone at the reception that takes you up to your pod, shows you where you're gonna sleep, the number, how to access the locker. And the locker is the same number as your pod in case you get things confused. Then you also get like this plastic bag with a towel, a bed sheet, a pillowcase, and a case for your blanket. Yes, I don't know what to call that, but yes, for your blanket. And so it's really nice. Oh, you get 2 towels, you don't have to pack. A little one and a big one. That's nice, that's nice. I guess I'll just use the little one since I'm showering here and I have my clothes already. Put that there. I need to shower because I want to make the most out of today, guys. And the supermarket doesn't open before 9 a.m. So I just think it's good for me to get ready, shower and everything so I can just take the bus to the city. We need to explore today. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this dress. I probably should ask if they have an iron. But if not, then I can see they have a hair dryer. I'm gonna see if that works. It's all part of the trip, guys. When you're a solo traveler, this is what happens. You need to make way with what you got. I was about to leave, but then I remembered something that I haven't told you guys, but I haven't really been active on my phone lately. I don't know, I just haven't replied or checked any messages on Snapchat or Instagram or whatever. It's just so relaxing. It's not like you feel like you have no issues or problems. It's just like they're not important, which for me they never are. To feel like you have to do something or have to be a part of this social media generation. I don't know what to call us. But it's so nice to be like, okay, you know what, I'm actually far away, so no one is gonna meet me on the streets and be like, oh, I know you, why didn't you reply me? Or something. There's no chance of that ever happening. Okay guys, I'm gonna go shower now. I'll see you guys when I'm done. I ain't been broke in a minute. Don't get it fit. So off the bow in a bin. Fucking your hoe in the kid. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready and
away from like, am I leaving yet? Like, they already know me. So we can stay and whatever, and that's when the
it's the pastry. How often do you travel? But do you? Why are the yogurt so cheap here?
It's just fast for you.
It's so windy. My hair is a mess. I look like Pumbaa or something from Lion King. What is happening? We're trying to find a place to eat breakfast, but it's so windy everywhere and it's kind of cold. So yeah, it's a struggle to wear a dress. If you're coming to Amsterdam, April, be mindful of the wind.
Doručka, tlačím zo.
Guys, it looks like they're going to film something here. Not film, but it looks like something important is happening. You can see guards everywhere. But of course my phone is dead, so how am I gonna make it to the Amsterdam Square? I was supposed to go to the Amsterdam Center and I kept walking and going into shops and like doing other stuff, and now my phone is dead. So I don't know what to do, but look at these birds. At least the sun is shining though. Yeah. Ooh. Okay guys, I needed to find a place to charge my phone, so I found a cafe. It's really cute. It's 1:30 p.m. Probably a good time for a snack. I haven't eaten anything since breakfast. I'm so full. I'm still full. Cappuccino. So, this one is with
caramel, limoncello, white chocolate.
Thank you. Caramel, and this one is limoncello, and we got the white chocolate. Let me show you guys. Look. The caramel one is so good, really sweet, so you should get a coffee or a drink. They also have like juice here, apple juice and apple pie and stuff, so it's a lot of different things you could get. Okay, let's try the limoncello. I don't know if you guys can see the color, but it's bright green. And this is the white chocolate, obviously. I like all the three of them equally, so I don't have a favorite. I was trying to think. Gosh, I can't seem to find my password. I don't remember my password.
Thank you.
You know, I hate fast food and okay, it's 5 p.m. so it's dinner time. I just found this cute restaurant. I don't know what it's called. Let me just Fu Fao Udon it's called. So I came here for some udon noodles. Let me show you guys the picture. Okay, this is gonna be like the digital versus reality. So this is what it looks like. The picture I found on the internet. It's making you feel hungry, scrumptious, you know. So I decided to come to the restaurant. I'm sitting here waiting for the food. I already ordered the same thing, and I got this ginger beer. I went to a coffee shop after sitting and working with the school thing, but I didn't even finish the school thing, so I still have a lot of work to do. But it's a really, really cute cafe. The designs, the drawings on the wall. The lady is so nice. And I can't wait to eat because I'm hungry. I was sitting outside for a little bit and it was so windy. Like, I'm not warm, I'm getting cold. And the wind is just blowing in my face and I'm like, oh, maybe I should just go home or should I go to a museum? And then I was like, you know what, let me just go eat. As long as I can sit inside, it's gonna be better. Anything other than sitting outside, I think. So, that's fine. I can't wait for some chicken. I don't know if people think it's weird that I'm walking around with a camera all day, but it's like typical tourist. Okay guys, so there was a little delay in the kitchen or little situation happening, so they were like, it's gonna take 13 minutes for the noodles to be ready. And I was like, oh, it's fine, don't worry. But they came with, I think this is called edamame. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but this is my first time eating it actually. I've seen them in like videos and like pictures, but I'm like, what does that actually taste like? I know it's not green beans, but like, you know, so it's a bit of a taste test for me. I'm sitting here Googling, see, how to eat it, because I'm like, do I eat the whole thing? Do I not? She gave me a plate beside, so I'm guessing there should be some leftovers, but I don't know which part should be left over. Oh, I'm only supposed to eat the inside. Oops. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Guys, apologies for the noise in advance, but I'm on my way home, or on my way to the hostel. Jesus Christ, I thought that thing was real. I was like, who is that just sitting there staring at people? But yeah, I'm walking back to the hostel from the city. I am so tired. Shit. I ate and I ate and I ate, and now my stomach, it's like a sack in front of me right now that I have to carry and walk, and it's just like I can't wait to get in bed. But overall, I did a bit of shopping, got some snacks I'm gonna try out later on. I think I need a nap, but I don't want to sleep, so life is complicated right now. Yeah. Okay, I need to check the map. I don't know where I am. And I need to pee. Jesus. I don't know if you guys have seen the whole outfit yet, but this was it, guys. It was actually quite cold today, 9 degrees or 12. So I got socks on, and I just pulled up the socks when it got too cold. But I've been patrolling the streets. I went for a beer, tried to get some sun, but it was so windy. It was so windy. I was sitting there like, somebody get me out of here. But yeah, guys, so it's how many more minutes till I get there? 2 more minutes. So it's quite convenient for me to live at the hostel. It's not far from the city, about half an hour with the bus. And all you gotta do is scan your bank card when you get in, and then you have to remember to scan the card when you get out, because if not, you're gonna pay more money, because I think it's per mile or kilometer or something like that. So remember to scan the card when you're leaving the bus or the metro or whatever. But yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I got dinner from KFC. I thought it was gonna be possible for me to eat on the boat, but the guy was like, you can't eat chicken on the boat because it's gonna smell and you're gonna bother other people, which is true. So I started like taking bites with my fingers. I'm so hungry. I haven't been to the city all day because I was gonna do like a night time in Amsterdam situation going on ish, but we'll see. This is so pretty. That's cute.
Allowed it. Yeah, they're more narrow and intimate.
Let's have a look how if this is gonna fit.
If this is gonna fit.
And around 400 years